Hi, welcome to the 9malls review of the Kansas City Pocket Watch. The Railroad Kansas City Pocket Watch has a 26-inch chain. It's new and improved quartz movement, never needs winding. Inspired by Jesse James' train robbery in 1874. Certificate of authenticity, butterfly hinge, perfectly paired 26-inch pocket chain and fob. So I took it out of the packaging. This is what's inside. Just a container right here. The certificate of authenticity is just a flimsy piece of paper. It says the American Historic Society Kansas City Railroad Pocket Watch, certificate of authenticity. Okay, nothing on the back. Yeah, we'll add for the infinite love ring. Definitely something that I'll purchase. Then you have the directions. Alright, so let's open this up. It's a kind of a metal case. And it's actually not quite as cheap as I was expecting. Cheaply made. I mean, if you watch the commercials, the As Seen on TV commercials for the Kansas City Pocket Watch, it looks like this thing is, you wind it. You know, it's a watch you have to wind. It's definitely not that. It's it's quartz movement, so it's battery operated. Watch the commercial, the As Seen on TV commercial, if you haven't seen it yet. It kind of implies that it's something that you wind, which is not true. So just in case you're wondering, yeah. Alright, so my first impression, the chain's lightweight. The watch is pretty lightweight. It is metal, but there's something about it that just feels a little bit cheap. You can hear that sound. It's kind of like a toy sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but it kind of feels like it's like yeah, I guess a perfect example of this feels like a piece of costume jewelry. Let me get that to focus. And then you can open it up. Let's see here. Like that. Wind the hands. Okay, so to change the battery, there's a little slot. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in the back of the watch. And I'm going to try to get it off. There we go. Alright, so just take it off here. And let's see. Not quite sure how to get the battery out. Okay, so got to take off the back panel. The battery is located underneath the back panel of the watch. To access the battery, you must first remove the rear cover. You might need to pry it slightly by using a small flat screwdriver. Once the cover is off, you should have a clear access to the battery compartment. Install or replace your battery. So battery compartment, let's see. There you go. Oh, there is a battery in here. Okay. Never mind. Okay, it does come with a battery. I didn't know that. I thought you'd surely have to install it, but no, the battery's inside. So that's great. Alright, I'm just going to put it back on. And let's see here. Oh, there's a little protective covering on the back. And push it down. And the battery is going. So you can see, let me see if you can see the movement. There you go. So, I think in the camera this looks like a cool watch. I mean, I'm just looking through the viewfinder right now. Is this something I'd buy and wear? No. But I think it's kind of a cool piece if you're into costume jewelry, and this is definitely going to catch someone's attention. It looks like something, I mean, that's how it was designed. They wanted to sell. So it looks like something that is expensive, yet on Amazon, you know, these are way, way discounted compared to what they used to charge on the commercials. So if you go to Amazon, you can pick one of these up for just a fraction of the original price. So, would I buy it? No. Is it worth the discounted price? If you're into costume jewelry, I would say yes. If you'd like more information on the Kansas City Pocket Watch, just go to my website, 9malls.com. That's the number 9, MALLS.com, and click on the As Seen on TV graphic. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can find a lot more information on the Kansas City Pocket Watch and products that I review in my videos. So that'd be greatly appreciated. And also, please subscribe to my channel. The channel's growing. I appreciate everyone that subscribes. So until next time, thanks for watching.